Hello everybody, I'm GHG and welcome to another episode of Bukkit/Spigot tutorials. And in today's video we're gonna create our own custom command and learn something new about Java name conventions. To get started we need to create a new Java project. I'll explain this in the previous video, and we're gonna call it custom command. And within that we need to create a new package. And here's the new thing about the name conventions. We do not use ghg.plugin anymore. It's more conventional to use me.yourname, so ghg.theplugin name. Custom commands. Command. So within that we gonna create our main, and we need to configure the build path. I'll explained this in the previous video. So if you cannot follow this, be sure to check it out. And then our plugin.yml. That's it. So we need the name of the plugin, it's gonna be custom command. Then we need the main class, which is gonna be me.ghg.customcommand.main. Then we need the version, it's gonna be 1.0. And the author, which is gonna be me, and the commands, which will be empty now because we will return to the plugin.yml after we coded up our command. So to get started, go back to your main, and of course you should extend Java plugin. Ctrl+Shift+O to auto import, make sure it's arc.bucket, and we're gonna create our public void on enable, which is called when the server starts. Note the difference between the last video. I'm not gonna create on disable anymore because we do not need it, so it's wasted effort. So in our on enable we need to get our command, because we're gonna create a simple command. We're gonna create /hello, which returns hi to the player. Really easy, not that interesting. We'll go make it interesting in a future expansion video. So to get started with our /hello, we need to, in our unenable, get commands, hello, and then we set executor new command. I will explain this later. New command hello. It's gonna return an error. Well, what this does is, if the command hello is executed by a player, we're gonna tell the plugin to look into the new command hello. Well, what is new command hello? New command hello is a separate Java class, and it returns an error because we do not have the class within our package. So either hover over it, create class custom command hello, which I recommend, because let me click on it, finish, you see it will auto generate our own command public boolean. We do not modify it. Yeah, we do modify it because it's not that clear. It's not clear what arc0, arc1, arc2 or arc3 means, but I'll explain. What this does, it gets the command hello, it sets the executor to new command hello. So Ctrl+S to save and getting your command hello.java. Okay, what we need to do here, I will explain what this all is. So we got command sender. It's the thing that sent the command, not the player, because command blocks can send commands too, plugins can send commands, everything can send commands, and that's why it's a command sender and not a player. So we're gonna call this, gonna change the name of it, arc0, I do not like it, it's not that explaining, to sender. Then we're gonna do command, which is this the reference to the command, is cmd. The string, the first string is the label. It's actually, if I type in /hello, then /hello, I'm GHG. I like hello I like. Hello is gonna be the label. It's gonna be the first string over here. It's all going crazy now because I typed in something it does not understand. So that's the label. The label is the first thing. And what string is, this sign means that it is an array. So it stores multiple strings, and within this there's gonna be I and like. They're gonna be put into this array. They're gonna be the arguments of our command. So this is our label, and these are gonna be the arguments. So args. Okay. To do auto-generate method stop, you can remove it. What we want to do is check if our sender is a player, because we do not want to send hi back to a command block because nobody will be able to read that. So we're going to check if sender is a player. So if sender instance of player. So what this does, it checks if sender is an instance of the type player. Ctrl Shift O to import, like that. And if it is so, and we want to return true because they used their command well. You can't use this command any kind of wrong way. So if the sender is a player, then we want to send the player a message. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna store the player. We do not use P anymore because that's not a Java naming convention. Your objects, your variables have to have some clear meaning, not just one letter or number. So player. And now we're gonna put in between brackets player, sender. Okay, what this does, it tells, because sender is of type command sender, not of type player. It casts, like it puts the type command sender. It tells it it's actually a player. So store it as a player, because we know it's a player. We just checked for it to be a player. So now we can tell the computer it's a player. If we do not do this, let me show you afterwards. So let me show you. Player dot send message, and then use our little check color dot yellow plus hello. So this sends the player the message. I already explained that last episode. I made a mistake over here. The spacing is not good. Just a quick tip. In Eclipse you can just Ctrl A, Ctrl I, and as you can see, if I do Ctrl Z, Ctrl I, it fixes the spacing, so it all gets nice. So you don't have to manually tab or spacebar everything into place. Ctrl save, and the last thing we need to do is go into a plugin.yml and declare the command, because we do not have working code. You can send the command to this, but the server won't recognize it, won't register the command. So within our commands, we want to create a new command. So in my editor I can just tab hello, because we just did the hello command, right? Enter. And you need to declare two things for the command. You need to declare the description and the usage, which is just going to be a simple hello. And the description is basic command that returns hello to the player who sends it. Ctrl save. And that's it for the command. So if you want to add an extra command, you just go into the spacing of hello, you just do extra command, and then you just do the same thing, description, etc, etc. So you just coded your first custom command. Well, let's go check it out if it works. It's that easy, actually. Just export your custom command, jar file, next, exclude project, class path, browse, custom command, within the, yes, save, finish. And I'll see you over at the Minecraft server. So we're inside of Minecraft and we're gonna check out if our tutorial has worked out. That's a custom join message from the last episode. And don't mind my building skills, they're not important. And let's see if it works. So we're gonna do /hello. Well, that's it. It worked. And because we set a description, we can do /help hello. And we're gonna see the description and the usage. So the description is basic command that returns hello to the player who sends it, and the usage /hello. So that's it for today's episode. We will expand on this further. I'm gonna explain arguments probably, and maybe teleportation. So if we do TPS, we're gonna teleport to spawn, but you have to wait for the expansion videos, and I'm gonna upload them when I'm ready. You're ready. And thanks for watching. See you next time.